I wanted people to feel the deep joy and peace in nature that's all around us. Hello friends, I'm Joseph Cornell, the founder of Sharing Nature Worldwide and author of Deep Nature Play. Play is an amazing human experience. All of yourself is committed, and we feel more intensely alive and alert. There's really a sense of exhilaration and wholeness that children feel because in play, it's more inner-directed and your whole being is embracing what you're learning. In the deeper parts of play, there's a feeling of timelessness, of being in the present moment, a diminished sense of self, and we're one with the focus of our play. That experience teaches us and opens us up to new realities, and we discover things that we haven't ever learned before. One reason why I wrote Deep Nature Play was to help all of us to regain that childlike spirit so that the world is filled with wonder and magic. I've created a lot of different activities that make learning information a lot of fun, experiential. It's a process that works for everyone. We have tens and tens of thousands of people all over the world that use this process and use these activities to just tremendous success. One of the best ways of letting nature be the teacher is through immersive play, because you're one with the focus of your play. And when that focus is on nature, then you have a growing, profound experience and relationship with that aspect of nature.